I posted yesterday, 20K views. I have 200K subs, 800 views. Algorithm changed. Wait, what?
I posted yesterday, 20K views.
I have 200K subs, 800 views.
Algorithm changed.
Wait, what?
He has more subscribers. So is
Right.
awesome.
But this video is better.
So push the small channel?
Exactly.
I only have 12 subscribers.
Then why 30K views?
Algorithm testing. That's insane.
Subscribers bring views.
Yeah.
Isla.
Not anymore.
Then what does?
Performance.
I uploaded 2 hours ago. And? 10,000 views already.
No way!
Testing new video.
Small channel?
Yes.
Push if engagement spikes.
I have 0 subscribers.
Perfect.
Perfect? I think so.
Algorithm loves new signals.
Why is my phone exploding? Your video's trending. Yeah, but I'm new. Exactly.
High watch time detected.
Small channel?
Yes.
Push globally.
You have 300K subscribers?
You have 200.
Yeah. Then why are you winning?
Better click rate. My video just hit 50K.
How many subscribers?
47. Wait, what?
My first video. Yeah? It's going viral.
Already?
I need more subscribers.
No.
Then what? Then what?
Better videos.
You don't even show your face.
Nope.
Then why 100K views?
Yeah.
Oh.
Algorithm loves ideas.
You just posted?
Yeah. Yes, everybody else.
This one's going viral. I optimized the algorithm.
Views aren't guaranteed.
Yeah.
Results depend on content quality.
And consistency?
Always consistency.